Tired of manually tracking and billing your subaccounts for Twilio usage and losing money in the process? Let's jump right into how to automate Twilio rebilling within Gohighlevel, ensuring you get paid accurately and effortlessly. First, make sure you are in your agency view inside of Gohighlevel. This is crucial, as the settings we need are only accessible at the agency level. Now, navigate to Settings, and then click on Twilio. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see your main Twilio account connected. Below your main account, you'll see a list of all your subaccounts connected to your master Twilio account. For each subaccount you want to rebill, ensure that Rebill Twilio toggle is enabled. Simply switch the toggle to the on position. This tells Gohighlevel to start tracking and rebilling the subaccount for their Twilio usage. Once enabled, you'll likely want to customize the rebilling markup. This allows you to add a percentage or flat fee on top of the Twilio costs. Go to the individual subaccount. Scroll down to the billing section. Here, you'll find options to adjust the markup percentage and manage payment methods. Make sure there is a payment method on file to charge. Gohighlevel will now automatically track Twilio usage for that subaccount and include it in their monthly bill. No more manual calculations or chasing down payments. By automating this process, you'll not only save time and reduce errors, but you'll also ensure consistent revenue generation from your subaccounts. Happy rebilling!